APDS7311 POE Part 2. First, our sign up and login has password hashing and salting. Next, we whitelist all the input using regex patterns. Here, we are validating the regex patterns. When we enter a number in the full name, a message is shown to the user. And the invalid input format is shown to the user. This ensures that the data is safe and accepted, preventing malicious input from reaching sensitive application logic or the database. Traffic is served over SSL by using the certificate and private key, which is stored in the keys folder. By creating these, we installed OpenSSL and followed the instructions on the command prompt. We then signed the private key and certificate. To ensure protection against all attacks, we added security techniques. By running a command, we can see all the files that are downloaded for the security protection. Further, we documented these security measures in our PDF document detailing the techniques and how integrated, as well as the benefits. Here, we are demonstrating the user sign-up process. We ensure that we connect with Postman and using the correct URL. We also make sure that we post. This demonstrates a failure of the sign-up. A message is shown to the user that all fields are required. Once we correct the password, we see a successful sign-up process where a message is shown to the user that the customer registered successfully. Here we demonstrate the user login process. First, a failure of the login process. In this case, the username is incorrect and a message is shown to the user that authentication failed. Now, a successful login with the correct username shows that the message is authenticated successfully and a token is provided. Now we will demonstrate the payment process. First, we log in the user. You can see their token. We then copy the token and go to the payments URL. We then authorize the token. And we can set a payment for the correct user. And the payment was created successfully. Now we demonstrate a failure of the payment where we add double quotations to the amount field. And a message is shown that it is an invalid or expired token. In MongoDB, with our clusters, we can see our collections. Here we can see our payments and users. We ensured a DevSecOps pipeline. When pushing to our GitHub, we didn't include our keys so that it is safe and secure. Also, we added GitHub Actions for automating testing with a .yml file that runs and builds security, making sure that all tests are successful.